Hey, spice enthusiasts! Today, we're taking your taste buds on a thrilling journey with our Szechuan Crispy Beef. Imagine perfectly crispy beef strips, tossed in a fiery and flavorful Szechuan sauce. I'm your QuirkyQuest, and I'm excited to guide you through this spicy culinary adventure. Before we dive into the heat, let's gather our ingredients. 1 pound, 450 grams, beef, thinly sliced into strips. 1/4 cup cornstarch. Vegetable oil for frying. Salt and pepper to taste. To make the Szechuan sauce. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon ginger, minced. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 tablespoons hoisin sauce. 2 tablespoons rice vinegar. 2-3 tablespoons Szechuan chili sauce, adjust to your spice preference. 1 tablespoon brown sugar. 1/4 cup water mixed with 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes, optional for extra heat. Sliced green onions for garnish. In a bowl, coat the sliced beef with cornstarch, salt and pepper and water to mix. Heat vegetable oil in a deep skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Carefully add the beef slices to the hot oil and fry until they become crispy and golden brown, about 2-3 minutes. Remove the beef from the oil and place it on a paper towel-lined plate to drain. In a bowl, whisk together soy sauce, hoisin sauce, rice vinegar, Szechuan chili sauce, brown sugar, water, and red pepper flakes, if using. In a separate pan, heat a tablespoon of vegetable oil over medium heat. Add minced garlic and sauté for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Pour this sauce mixture into the pan with garlic and simmer for a couple of minutes until it thickens slightly. Mix cornstarch with water and mix in the sauce. Stir constantly, add more water if necessary to make the sauce right. Add the crispy beef to the sauce, tossing to coat the beef evenly. Serve the Szechuan sauce crispy beef over the cooked rice, garnishing with sliced green onions and sesame seeds. And there you have it. Your Szechuan crispy beef is ready to take your taste buds on a spicy journey. If you're ready for a culinary adventure, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mouth-watering recipes. Enjoy the heat, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!